what's up guys, Ekansh here, and today we have two mystery products to unbox. One is from Canada and the other one is from Tokyo, Japan. I don't know what's inside. Let's check it out. Actually I'm lying, I know because I have ordered it. So I just want to share the experience with you guys to open this product. Let's get started with the one with the bigger box. This is what I have ordered. Batman Pop Vinyl Superhero Figurine. Let's see how it looks. Let's open the other one. Oh, nice packaging to protect the product. This is a product, the mini Android collectibles, 3 inches, and it took nearly a month to reach it to me. Packaging. Oh, another wrapper. So this is the second product. First is Batman and the another one is Android figurine. This cost me nearly £10, £10.50, and this one cost me around £7.50 without free shipping. I'll put the link down in the description section so you can check it out and order if you like it. And do put your comments in the comment section below if you are going to buy this or if you like this product or not. Thank you guys. Hope you like this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.